Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Fozzie here, back at it with another episode on the NoxiousPvP server, guys. And we have a lot planned this episode. We are going to be doing some PvP. As you guys see, I have my pots ready right here, and we are going to be doing some base work. And we do have a brand new faction member that's going to be in a bunch of our videos. So you guys will see her later, but anyways, guys, the giveaway winners were Whiteman and Gamus's, and they have both gotten their keys. Gamus's I just purchased his mythical key, and then I purchased Whiteman's ancient key. And hopefully you guys did enjoy. I'm sorry to those who didn't win, but I will be doing more giveaways very, very soon. But nonetheless, make sure you guys do follow my Twitter. My Twitter, it will be down in the description, and also my server Twitter, which we'll be releasing soon, guys. So anyways, guys, hopefully you guys do enjoy episode 3 of the NoxiousPvP server. Okay, guys, we are back, and we are at the PvP area, the /war PvP, and today Kitten will be joining us to PvP. Kitten.
Okay.
And so you ready to pot up? I think Llama wants to actually PvP. Okay, pot up now.
They're together right away.
Dude, Noxious was lagging a lot today. We're only in P1, so I'm actually super nervous right now. You ready to jump?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Who do you want to target? This guy?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, okay.
He's running. Oh, I just forgot what we forgot.
Oh, this is my guy here.
We forgot E-Pearls.
I have 3. Let's hit them. P1 is hard to be in. Holy crap.
Dude, my
I almost got popped, dude. That sucks.
Dude, I'm done. Dude, my sensitivity's messed up for my mouse. Shoot. Help me. Where are you? Oh, I got quick dropped.
I got 3 ones.
Did you die?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. We spent
Maybe not PvP and P1?
we spent 15 grand brewing pots. Guys, I think we're just gonna do a time lapse of us building the base. Okay, and what do you want to do for this episode? Do you actually want to set up a grinder?
Sure.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna go set up a grinder, guys. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the time lapse. Anyways, guys, see you at the time lapse. What's going on, guys? I am back, and hopefully you guys did enjoy the time lapse. I have to be a little bit quiet as my mom is sleeping upstairs, so she's like sleeping right there. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the time lapse. I did. We did finish the cow grinder. We did go on it for. We did mess up once. I will admit that we did mess up once, but that was because of Kitten. She didn't know how to do it, and then I believed her, so I had to pay 10 grand. We would have had another cow grinder right now, but I'm just gonna like AFK this whole night or something and get a bunch of money, I guess, from it. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy the episode. If we can hit what should our like goal be? If we can hit gotta get a decent like goal. If we can hit let's do, honestly, if we can hit 15 likes, that would be amazing, guys. So let's see if we can hit 15 likes. That would be awesome. But anyways, guys, hope you guys did enjoy the episode. And have a great day, guys. Peace, guys.